Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a get ready with me for an Indian occasion, and it will be about hair and makeup, also appropriate for the monsoon. So let's get started. I've already cleansed my skin and I'll be using the PIXI face mist to hydrate my skin. I love this mist. I've already finished 2 bottles of this. This hydrates and adds a subtle glow to the face. And then I'll apply the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Primer because I want the makeup to be long lasting, especially in this season. Applying this mainly on my T-zone area and then blending this well. For base, I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I was really happy with the finish of this. It was skin-like yet had natural coverage, and I knew I could build up the coverage if need be. So I'll stipple this all over with a damp beauty blender and also drag this down till my neck area. Using one of my all-time favorite concealers, which is great coverage and also affordable. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm in the shade Pure Beige. And I'm gonna dot this on my under eye area, around the mouth and on some of my acne spots. And then blend this well with the same beauty blender. I also like to use an angled brush like this for the inner corners of the eyes. Now moving on to brows, and I'm taking the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and taking in my time to fill in the brows. Since it's a wedding look, the eyebrows should be naturally defined, and I do take in my time to shape the arch really well. And like you can see here, I definitely need to work a lot on the left eyebrow. And I'll take in my time to make both the eyebrows look perfect. And then picking up this gold color from the Lakme Absolute Infinite palette and applying this in the inner corners of the eyes and then blending this till the center. I like a pop of shimmer in the inner corners. Weddings and Indian occasions are the best times to use them. And once that's done, I'll pick up this purple shade and apply this to the outer corners of the eyes and blend well. Repeat this on both the eyes. Then picking up this darker purple shade and applying this to the previous purple color to increase the intensity of it. And then using a clean brush on the under eye area just to remove any sort of eyeshadow that has fallen off. I'm using the KIRO Kajal stick in brown and I'm applying this in the lower waterline. And I also really like the combination of purple and brown, and I think that goes really well. And just enhancing the outer portion of the lower waterline with a black kajal, and this is by MAC. And to make all the colors look blended, I'm going to pick up this purple shade and use a smudge brush like this, and I'm lightly going to swipe this on the lower waterline. I love this highlighter by BOBBI Brown. Guys, honestly, this is a game changer. I use this highlighter in many ways. I use it on my cheeks as a highlighter, on the inner corners of my eyes. I also use it as an eyeshadow just to give it that pop of shimmer. And right now I'm just using this in the inner corners of my eyes because this gives a really nice luminous pop of glow. I'm going in with the SMASHBOX SUPERFAN mascara to finish off the look. I love this mascara because the wand is so narrow and there's no transfer of mascara on my skin, which usually happens when the wand is really thick. This doesn't clump on your eyelashes at all and also makes your eyelashes look so full. So using a good amount of this mascara on the top and on my lower lashes as well. And now I'll simply repeat the same thing on the other eye as well. For blush, I'm going in with this pink shade by Tilbury. It's a really natural, flushed sort of a pink, which goes really well with all different sorts of looks. And I have tried this before. It is definitely one of my favorites at the moment. So I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks, and it's a very neutral toned pink, and that is what I love the most about this. And then going in with the same BOBBI Brown highlighter on the high points of my cheeks, and you guys can see the kind of shine and radiance this brings to the face. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with this Lady Bold shade by Too Faced. I usually don't apply dark shades, but since this is an Indian occasion makeup look, I thought I'll jazz up the look with a nice pop of color on the lips as well. And then just correcting the line of the lipstick around my lips with a lip brush. So that's the finished makeup look. It was quick, it has pop of color on the eyes and on the lips, it has a lot of glow on the face, and I have gone in with purples and pinks and browns because I feel that combination goes really well, and it also complemented the outfit that I was wearing. And guys, now moving on to the hair, and that was really simple. I just took a side parting just with my fingers like this. Just brush out your hair if it isn't already. And then take a section out like this and divide that into 3 equal sections. Start off by doing a 3-strand braid and then add some hair from the front into the middle section. And what we call this is a French braid. So basically you will be doing a French braid from the front all the way till the back. Secure it with a rubber band and then go into the braid and open up the loop so it looks really nice and full. Take 2 bobby pins and secure this at the back. Now take the rest of the hair into a low ponytail like this. Make an opening in the center and flip the hair inwards. And then I just repeated this twice on my hair. So if you have hair length like mine, then 3 twists should be enough. If your hair is longer, then you might want to do extra twists. And if your hair is shorter, then 1 or 2 twists should be good enough. So take the decision depending on the length of your hair. For final touches, I just pulled on the twist a couple of times just to make sure everything looks the same and even. A small little tip, you can also cover up the gap in the center by using a U-pin, just the way I did. No wedding hair look is complete without adding some bling in it, so I have added these really pretty U-pins right in the center. And the hairstyle looked so pretty by just adding this hair accessory in the center. And guys, that's the finished look for hair and makeup. If you have to attend any Indian ceremony like your mehndi, haldi, sangeet, or even the wedding or reception, I think this look is going to be absolutely perfect. And the best part is you can just create this yourself at home, and I hope you all like this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, share this with your friends and family. Please also hit the notification bell so you get an update every time I put out a video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!